Do you want to sell your digital products online using Gumroad, but you don't know how to offer different prices and licenses? I'll teach you how in a minute. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudia Orengo, a graphic designer and watercolor artist from Barcelona, and I've been selling my paintings as digital products since 2015. So today I want to show you an easy way to offer licenses when selling through Gumroad. In this example, we can see the end result. When you open a product, you can choose the license you want, and each one has a different price, so you can see it here. But when you go to Gumroad and we add a new product, we only have one pricing option. With this setup, you cannot add license with different prices, so I found a solution using the versions section. Let me show you the backend of my product and you will see how easy it is. But while you open it, why don't you go down here on the comments and let me know a little bit about you and your products. I really love reading your comments and chatting with you. So I've opened here the product in Gumroad, and as you can see under prices, we can only add one pricing, and then you can allow customers to pay what they want, but that's not what you want. We want to have different prices for each licenses. So what I did is under versions, I created different licenses. I just add the title as license, and I added each one of them with a description and a pricing. The thing is that you need to add the extra pricing on top of the original price. So what I did is I set up the original pricing as 15, which is the personal license price. Then under the personal license, I just set it up to 0 because I don't want any extra cost if you select that license. But then under commercial license, I added 15, which makes a total of 30. And then under the extended license, I added 85 so that the total is 100. This is how I set it up, the licenses, and you can do it when you go to add a new product. You can go to products, add new product, and here under the section of versions, you can add, as I told you, the title of your versions and as many licenses as you want. So license 1 with a description and adding any additional amount. So if we want this to be 15, just add here 15. Then add another option, license 2, and this one will cost 15 extra, etc, etc. And you can see here how quickly it shows and how easy for the client it is to select what they want. So if you want to learn more about passive income and digital products, I have many other tutorials and classes, but for now, here on the top right corner, you will have access to my free guide to design your thumbnail promotional images. I'm sure by now you already know that having stunning images for your digital products is key to convince your clients to purchase. So don't miss the opportunity to check my guide and learn all what you need to have in mind when designing your promotional thumbnails. I hope you like it. And please, before you go, let me know in the comments if you like this video, if it was useful, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to have more free videos every week.